Today we are going to learn an intro of parts of speech. In English grammar, the parts of speech are the basic building blocks of language. They are categories that describe the function of words in a sentence. Here's a beginner-friendly guide. 1. Noun. A noun is the name, a person, place, thing, or idea. For example, dog, school. Happiness, India. 2. Pronoun. A pronoun is used in place of a noun to avoid repetition. For example, I, we, he, she, it, they, this, etc. 3. Verb. A verb expresses an action or state of being. Examples: run, talk, is. 4. Adjective. An adjective describes or modifies a noun or pronoun. For example, red, beautiful. Tall. 5. 5. Adverb. An adverb modifies a verb, adjective, or another adverb. It tells how, when, where, or to what extent. For example, quickly, very. Here, yesterday. 6. Preposition. A preposition shows the relationship of a noun or pronoun to another word. Examples: on, in, at, between, under. 7. Conjunction. A conjunction joins words, phrases, or clauses. For example, and, but, or, because, although. 8. Interjection. An interjection expresses strong and sudden emotion or reaction. For example, oh, wow, ouch, hooray. Thanks for watching.